How to play games on Snapchat. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily play games on your Snapchat with your friends. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Snapchat app and now go to chat, and then here open the chat of the friend with whom you want to play games. And once you open the chat, here in the bottom right corner you will see this rocket icon. You have to tap on it, and here you will see all of the games that you can play with your friends. So tap on the game that you want to play, and after you tap, the game will load, and just tap on here continue and wait for the game to load, and then you can play games with your friends on Snapchat. And so this is how you can play games on Snapchat. Thanks for watching.